Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram password on the login page. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Let's get started. So we'll launch the Instagram app. Just in case you're already signed in, you have to switch. Okay, so we're going to hold the profile button at the bottom right. So you click and hold. Then you're going to see where to add Instagram account. Next, you click on login to existing account. Next, click on use another profile. Okay, so normally if you're logging in for the first time, you're going to find something like this. So the next thing to do, you click on forgotten password. So this is how to reset your password on the login page. So we've already done a video that teaches you how to reset your password when you are already logged in. So make sure you visit the description section of this video. We're going to attach that video link in the description. So you click on forgotten your password. It's quite easy. Next, you input the username of the account you want to recover the password. So we are going to use this account. So you just type your username. Then you click on continue. You could also use mobile number instead, or in some cases, you can use email address. So currently the option we're using is either you input your email address or you input your username. So click on continue. So you're going to receive an OTP on your email address or on WhatsApp. Yeah, so you can see this one is connected to this WhatsApp, or you could click on try another way. So once you click on that, you can get the code via WhatsApp or Instagram notification. Sometimes you might even see email. So this one is for SMS. Okay, so there are different ways. So you select all of the options you are able to use. Then you click on continue to reset your password. So if you need extra help with this, make sure you contact us through our support channels and get in touch with our expert team for more. See you guys in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more exclusive content like this. Cheers.